Hey folks, Corey Arnold at Toyota of Easley out here on the lot with two brand new 2024 Toyota Land Cruisers. All right, guys, so for whatever reason, these cars got here without being sold. As a matter of fact, we probably had, between the two of these, we've had probably close to 10 customers, but for whatever reason, they did not actually take them. But it's here for you to drive and actually take home right now today. First one is going to be 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser in the first edition, okay? So the first edition is the top of the line. This is the Heritage blue color with the actual gray top or white top, up top that we've got there. We're gonna walk around it and check it out. Number one, I want you to notice right here, when you go to the base model or the actual top of the line model, you get the round headlamps that we've got there. Notice the difference in the headlamp on the Land Cruiser model. Okay, but on this first edition, we get the round headlamps on this, rigid fog lamps right down below, as well as the actual parking sensors up front. Now, this one being the top of the line model, this one has a wonderful feature called front cross traffic alert. Now, you and I are used to rear cross traffic alert. Watch that, because it might be coming up. Rear cross traffic alert, but this particular one even has the front cross traffic alert. Nice option that we've got there. Come around the side for me. All right, now this is an 18-inch wheel that we've got standard. Now there is an option on the other model that can be upgraded to a 20, but on this particular model, this is the 18. More than likely, you're going to want to stay at that 18. The reason being, okay, if you're going to be using this vehicle for what it was made for, rock climbing and different things like that, the distance from the top of that rim to the top of that tire tread wall, you're going to be able to air down and actually give yourself a little more patch, a little more traction that we've got there. 18s, they look fantastic on this vehicle that we've got here. Rock rails are actually standard. All right, now, are you going to be using them to get inside the vehicle? More than likely not. The idea is that if you jump over a log or over a boulder, and instead of it denting the bottom, it hits that rock rail right there. And rock rails, of course, are a lot less expensive to actually replace that we've got there. This one being the first edition, we also have the first edition luggage rack, okay? So that's an upgraded luggage rack. Of course, if you're going to be doing some off-roading, you're going to actually want the top of the line as far as that goes, all right? That we got there. Come on around the side for me. So two things here. Number one, the gate opens in the back right back here. And you forgive me, I don't have the key with me now, but I could just push a button right here. This window pops up and goes into the back, pops up so I can actually put stuff into the back. Or, yes, we do have a power lift gate. I noticed that's been missing from a lot of us. Always have thought that it should have been even on the Toyota 4Runner, but this one going forward, this is the Toyota Land Cruiser. That is actually standard. That's this model. So power lift gate in the back, or you can actually push a button here and actually pop that button on that side. Hitch on the back of the vehicle, as well as having the rear parking sonars and the rear cross traffic alert. All of those things actually standard on this vehicle. First edition, again, this is rare car. I think that this is probably my favorite color. When I saw the trail dust come in with the actual light top, I was like, oh, I really like that. But the Heritage blue really kind of sets the bar. It's a good looking car that we've got there. All right, so come on, let's go around the other side over here. You can get some pictures inside. Now, this one does have the leather, okay? As well as, I'm just going to kind of point through the window, we have a heads-up display, so all that vital information is actually projected out on the front of the vehicle. We do have a rear locking differential. We've got a center locking differential, and we've got a front stabilizer bar. Now, you normally are going to actually see that when you've got a vehicle that's very capable off-road. Let me tell you how capable. All right, so this is 326 horsepower, but that's not the impressive number. 465 foot-pounds of torque at only 1,700 RPMs. I was looking at a competitor this morning. It had 100 foot-pounds of torque less, and it actually took the vehicle up to about 3,500 RPMs to get all of the power. So here we've got 465 foot-pounds of torque at only 1,700 RPMs. Guys, think about it. When you're doing off-roading, there's a lot of stop, go, stop, go, stop, go. So when you come to a stop, barely touch that accelerator, you're getting all of that power it has at 1,700 RPMs. fantastic idea that we've got there. Top of the line 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser in what we call the first edition Heritage Blue with the actual white top, I like to call it. It looks more similar to white than anything else. It is a beautiful car. This car came in, sold. All right, for whatever reason, it is available, but it will not stay available long. You've got to come by and check this vehicle out. Take it for a ride and take it home. I got to go on a test drive in it the other day. I was impressed. I don't get to go around the block that much anymore, but it was a really, really nice car. Not only is it capable off-road, I felt like also I was in a luxury car as well. So come see us at Toyota Visa. Thanks so much. Have a great day.